channel. So today I'm going to start off my channel by doing a DIY Diva ring lamp, okay? Because everybody don't have $200 and $300 just to throw out for some light bulbs. I mean, let's be serious. I've been wanting to start my channel for quite some time now, and I think this would be the perfect thing to start off by doing. So I watched a couple of people do their tutorials, and so I went out and got things that I like best. So to start off, I went out and bought duct tape. This is a reflector brand, reflector type duct tape, the duct tape brand. It was like $3.43 at Walmart. Also, I saw a lot of people using aluminum foil, which is just fine. I just decided that probably the duct tape will be more durable for me, and I had a little access to it. But I have aluminum foil downstairs in the kitchen, so if I didn't have the money for this, I was going to use aluminum foil. I also went out and bought a smartphone tripod. This is a nice little tripod. I got this from Five Below for $5. Yes, $5. And it's really sturdy, actually. I really like it. It's pretty cool. And it curls up. Right, let me show you. So this tripod, it like bends. So it can form to my ring. I will show you guys that. We will be needing zip ties. I got the zip ties from Dollar Tree. $1. We have our LED cool white rope lights. I got these from Walmart for $10. $10.80. That's with taxes included. So since it's around Christmas time, I was able to find these very easily. This is not the brand that I saw most people using, and people were also using the daylight light gun, and this is just cool white. So I hope this turned out good, but if not, I'll just do another one. I have my metal Reef, Dollar Tree. $1 at Dollar Tree, guys. I also have a paper towel holder. This was $1 at Dollar Tree also. This is going to be used for my stand. This is my stand. So let's get started. We're going to use the tape, and I'm just going to wrap this tape starting like here. I'm going to just wrap it around, put it there, make sure it's good and tight in there, and I'm just going to wrap it. I'm going to wrap it twice because I want to make sure that it's on there pretty good. So it may overlap in some spots, which I'm cool with. Okay, ring all done. Do you hear me? Ring is done. Front and back. Although we don't need the back. I just wanted mine wrapped really good like that. So we're done with that part. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this hair up because this probably get a little intense. Okay. So we're gonna start with this end of the ring, the lights, I'm sorry. And we're gonna put it like on the inside. You wanna go on the inner part because this ring has two. It has one that sticks out and one that's deep in. So you wanna do it on the inside part. And you just wanna start your ring out like so. I'm gonna lay it flat so that I could actually wrap the ring around the roses. I'm gonna use my leg to hold that. This thing is like handling a snake or a water hose that's just going crazy. So that part is kind of hard, but it's not bad. So I got that down. And I'm not gonna put the zip ties until I'm all the way completely done. So I'm gonna have 3 rows of this ring. So it's gonna be 1, 2, and then a third one right there. I got 2 so far.
That third one, my goodness, this thing is just a mess. Like, it just will not untangle. Maybe I should watch a tutorial about taming rope. Because I can't do it. Okay, alright. Bam, bam. I have my 3 rows.
So that's secure. And then I'll start doing the rest, and then it'll start coming together. So I think it's secure. I think it's fine. We'll see when I turn it on. And now for the part that everybody says is the hardest. Applying the stand. Now, I saw a lot of people who didn't even do a stand. They just did the ring light and they like set it up on something or hung it on something or whatever. But I do want to do a stand. So for the hardest part, everybody says this part is really hard. And it's pretty much putting the holder to... So I'm going to use my foot. I don't know if y'all can see my foot. Like, seriously. I'm going to use my foot. And I'm going to just zip tie it. Like, hopefully it holds really good. Okay, I am probably going to have to use lots of these. I did keep hearing this was like the hardest part though. Like everybody kept saying like the stand is the hardest part.
Okay. Which, of course, I knew that wasn't enough. I just wanted to get a break free my hands. So I saw some people like doing it sideways. Okay, see that. You know how you have to just like balance shit out. You gotta go from side to side. So front, back, side to side. Like it's really not that sturdy, but it's getting there.
Okay, so be sure like when you put your stand on, your paper towel hold on for your stand, you bring it up some. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you want to bring it up so the loop is there. I'm going to wrap my tripod on this so that it holds my phone like here for my light. And it stands. It's heavy. Actually, it's really heavy, but it's not too heavy that it won't stand. Or like I can put something on there and it's leaning, so I have to put a few more zip ties on and I'm done. I'm gonna like feed this one through. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm feeding it through the back so that it has some support to hold it back. So I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. I'm gonna feed this one through the zip ties that are on the back, that are on there already. Look at there. And like it could be adjusted. It stands. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's standing. And like I wouldn't really worry about any of this hanging pieces because the light is gonna actually be behind. Nobody's gonna see it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So it's standing, it's sturdy, it's standing by itself. I'm not holding it with my legs or anything. It's really good. It's really sturdy. I think those tutorials worked out really good. And I'm just gonna cut these zip ties. So I think that's good. The last test that I have to do is with the tripod, which I think is still would be sturdy because it's really good and sturdy. It's like not going anywhere and it's standing upright just like I want it to stand. Bam, 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 bam. So I like this. It's doing pretty good. Let's go up a little bit there. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I have the tripod wrapped around there. I have my phone secure in there. It's pretty good. It's really sturdy. Nothing is falling. It looks really good. So let's try it out. Let's see what this is gonna look like, okay? Wow. That looks so good to me. Like seriously. I think the lights could have been better or brighter, but these were the only ones that I could get a hold of. I think it looks really good. The setup is really good. My phone is in there very secure on the tripod. The Reef is very secure. The stand is sturdy. It's standing alone. I love it. When I decided to do this, but the lighting is perfect. It looks so good to me. Let's see. Do you see the ring in my glasses? I think it looks really good, actually. I'm gonna turn the light off and let's see how it looks with the light off. I think that I did an excellent job. There is no other lights on in here except for the ring light. I think this thing is excellent. It did a really good job. The lights were perfect. I could have had a little brighter lights, but this light looks good. Like it does. And the tripod is perfect because like I could like angle it how I want to angle it. I could do so many different things with that. So it looks pretty good. I really like it. It's my first thing that I'm doing for my channel. So yay me. I wanted to do this quick little DIY. I got out of bed and I was like, hey, I'm gonna make this ring light tonight. I'm gonna make this Diva ring light tonight, and that's gonna be the first video I upload on my YouTube channel. Is my Diva ring light DIY tutorial. If you have any questions, any critiques, anything, let me know. I really enjoyed doing this. I enjoyed doing the video. I enjoyed doing the light. It was just all perfect. Like, and this lighting is so bomb. Like, why have I not done this a long time ago? It was $22 for me to get all the supplies I got, including the tripod. Thanks for everybody who made the tutorials. I watched so many on the ring light. Thanks to everyone who did a tutorial on the ring light. Everybody had their own little touch. I added my own little touch to certain things. I don't know if I was 100% efficient with doing this, but it's my first YouTube video. So give me a break. Dang. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I need to do better.